Today, we're diving into an insane update from Suno AI that gives you more control over your songs than ever before.
All the feelings like a wave, so new. Everything is hazy, painted blue. Are you there? Monochromatic city, flickering light. In the senseless noise, the night bleeds out. Are you real beyond the screen?
Yeah. Phone buzzing. It's past 2 a.m. You know the reason why I'm calling you again.
Stem extraction. All right, everyone, listen up. Right now, I'm going to show you the single most revolutionary, most powerful feature in this entire Suno update, the one that will turn you from a user into a true producer. This feature is for anyone who wants ultimate control over their music. We're talking about stems. In the editor, click on the Stems button. For 50 credits, Suno will separate your song into up to 12 individual instrument and vocal tracks. Suno gives you 2 versions to choose from. As you can see, all the tracks are perfectly separated: lead vocals, backing vocals, drums, bass, guitar, and more. You can even hit the solo button on each track to listen to the individual sounds.
Yeah. Yeah. Sunrise creeping through the blinds, saying
This other stem here has things like crowd noise. You can just simply mute or delete that later. To download, just click here and choose MP3 or high-quality WAV files. Next, New Song Editor. This is where you can rearrange your song, change lyrics, add brand new sections, and so much more. To get started, find a song you've created. Click on the 3 dots to open the menu, and then click Open in Editor, or simply you can click Edit button here. Welcome to your new command center. You can see the entire song structure laid out in colored blocks: intro, verse, chorus, etc. Want to rearrange them? It's as simple as clicking, dragging, and dropping a section to its new position. Now, let's try editing something. So first, I'll select the block. Once a section is selected by dragging, you have a couple of options. You can either hit a button to quick replace a highlighted word, or, for more control, use the panel on the right to tweak lyrics and style, and then click Replace Section. Let me show you how it works. Let's say I want to change just a single word in the chorus. Notice how the panel on the right is now focused on our selection. In the new lyrics box, I'll type my new word. Let's say summer. And then hit Generate. Suno will generate a couple of options with the new word. Let's listen.
sunrise creeping through the blinds, same old song plays in my mind. Remember last summer.
This second one sounds great. I'll click Commit to lock in the change.
Plays in my mind. Remember last July, we drew our pictures in the sky. Plays in my mind. Remember last summer, we drew our pictures in the sky.
It's that precise. Okay, let's take this a step further. Let's add a section that starts as a dreamy synth solo and then introduces a vocal bridge. The process starts the same. I'll find the boundary between the chorus and verse and click the plus button to add new section. Now, in the panel on the right, we'll give Suno instructions for both the instrumental and the vocals. In the Style prompt box, I'll still write Dreamy Synth Solo to set the instrumental tone. but this time I'll also add lyrics for our bridge. So we have the instruction for the synth solo and the lyrics for the vocal bridge, all for this one new section. Let's set the length and click Create. Wow, let's listen to that.
Maybe I was dreaming with my eyes wide open. Just a perfect story that I can't stop hoping.
All right, once you've finished all your edits, mixing, and mastering, there's just one final step left, making this masterpiece officially yours. To save your edited track as a new song, click the Save as New Song button at the top of the screen. Now, if you go to your library, the song you just finished will be ready. Simple, right? All that's left to do is hit that download button. And just like that, the entire process is complete. And there you have it.
Sunrise creeping through the blinds. Same old song plays in my mind. Remember last summer, we drew our pictures in the sky. Yeah. All the feelings like a wave, so new. Everything is hazy, painted blue. In this rhythm I just think of you. Yeah, the feelings like a wave, it's true. Sidewalks where we used to walk so slow, sharing one headphone, listening alone. The city noise became our radio. Didn't wanna let the feeling go. Maybe I was dreaming with my eyes wide open. Just a perfect story that I can't stop hoping. But tell me, did you feel it too, that sudden little spark? Or was I all alone, reaching in the all the feelings like a wave, so new. Everything is hazy, painted blue. In this rhythm I just think of you. Yeah, the feelings like a wave, it's true. And time keeps flowing, seasons change their face. But that one moment, nothing can erase. Wonder if you're in the same old place. Still caught inside the time and space. All the feelings like a wave, so new. Everything is hazy, painted blue. In this rhythm I just think of you. Yeah, the feelings like a wave, it's true. The way, look, I'm so new. Yeah, the way, me and you, hazy, painted blue.